Welcome to Barricade Rides. I'm Barricade.
And I'm Batsy.
We got a great video for you today. We got a collaboration with Kimimoto. Stick around till the very end because we got our 2,000 subscriber giveaway and check out the details. But before we get into this video, I want to say happy birthday to my son Lucius. We just had his birthday party today. Come say hi.
Hey.
So, my son and his friends for their birthday party. All right,
12.
let's get into this. Alright, we got the box right here from Kemimoto. This is going to go on Batseys' bike. So, here you go.
Super excited. Alright, so I'm excited. I've been needing saddlebags for a while now. I was actually looking at them on Amazon for a while. Just haven't been able to pull the trigger just yet, so I'm really excited for this. I'm riding from Southern Oregon. So I definitely need some more carrying capacity. And this is also my daily rider, so I'm always needing more room. Backpack just doesn't cut it, especially in the summer. Alright, so it's nicely wrapped. So we got they went with it just in the package. It still seems like a really good size. Without cutting bags. But so far, they seem pretty sturdy. So I didn't want flimsy bags. This is the big thing that I was looking for. So I'm really liking that these are really sturdy. Because I plan on doing a little bit of moto camping. There might be videos, might not, depends. But definitely need to be able to carry more. Here we go. So I'm liking these so far. They're the hangover tie. They got a little D-ring right here to tie it to your bike. Those are slick. And they also have two ways to connect it. So you have the basic buckle if you want to be classy, or we got the side release buckles on the side here. Alright, it's nice and sturdy. Pretty hard. I like the logo right here. It's pressed, so that's pretty cool. So there are a couple different ways to unlock this. So we have the side release buckles here. And then classic style, if you want to do it that way. So it has the hard foam interior, the synthetic leather on the outside, and we also have this mesh pouch right here. So you can definitely like store your cell phone, earbuds, stuff like that. I also do most of my grocery shopping on bikes, so this is going to be a really big help. So this definitely is going to work because it's my daily commuter, and also for nice long road trips like coming back up to Washington. Alright, so let's install it. Alright, so first of all, we got to get our measurements. So I'm going to take off the seat because I'm going to have it underneath the seat. Screw in the pocket, don't want to lose it. Okay. Let's see here. So this is going to be the back side. Easy to tell. So what I'm going to want to do is make sure it's high enough for my exhaust so I'm not going to burn the bag, which is really important. And usually I have a backrest on here, but I'm probably going to have to remove that for a little bit while I have these bags on. Alright, so the next step is I'm going to go ahead and do a crisscross pattern on here to get these connected. So they gave me 2 bits of string, but I'm not sure if I need both sides of it. I'm at least going to get these here. So I figure it's kind of like lacing up a shoe. I don't think there's any specific pattern that you need to do. Like, simple crisscross isn't going to hurt anything. Also, it's going to be under my seat anyway, so it's not even going to be seen. Nut. And we're just tying a quick knot.
Alright, with Batseys' bike we have 2 looks that we can use. We have the backrest, and then we got the saddlebags. But Batsey is visiting up in Washington from Southern Oregon right now. So he's got to ride all the way home. So we're going to install it with the backrest. But we're going to give you both looks. So we're going to install it first without the backrest, then with the backrest. And I want you to post down in the comments which version do you like best. And Batsey may end up going with that selection. So be sure to check out his Instagram, Barricade Rides, and you'll see a picture of his bike with his new setup here soon.
So we're just going to put this on. See how quick and simple it is. So it just hangs over the top. You want to make sure that it's up above the exhaust here. And honestly, it's just simple. I got my bags on, got the seat on. There's the D-rings for the zip ties down there, which I'll be doing that here in a bit. I'm not using a screwdriver for this right now. Yeah. So variation 2, I'm going to put it on with my backrest. So I could just run them through the sidebars here, but I want to be able to remove this whenever I want, so I'm just going to throw it over the top here. So it's nice, simple, just hangs over the rack perfectly. Let's put this on. Got that. Let's forward just a little bit. Super simple, quick and easy. And I can still have a passenger on here. Zip tie those down here in a bit, so they're nice far back enough. The nice part, still have someone sit back here, and it's not going to impede them at all, which is great. Only person I had on here was my buddy's mom.
Just want to thank Kimimoto for this collaboration. Really stoked on these saddlebags. Be sure to stick around to the very end for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway.
I'm super excited for these bags. I can't wait to test them out. They're pretty rugged. They're made out of synthetic leather. Very sturdy, very stable, so they're not going to collapse on me. And there's plenty enough room for at least a day camping.
Perfect for small trips. And Batsey's example is riding from Southern Oregon all the way to Northern Washington. And really stoked on this. And as always, brothers and sisters,
Stay safe.
and ride you ride. All right, now to the contest. So we just hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm super stoked. Thank you so much for everyone for your support. I truly appreciate it. So, in order to be entered to win, all I need is for you to subscribe to the channel, post down in the comments, it could be anything. Go to Instagram, follow Kimimoto on Instagram, as well as Barricade Rides. And the links to all those pages will be in the description. So let's get on to the prizes. First, we have a net gator. So it looks like this. Helps keep you guys from getting the wind burn, keep you dry, safe, and warm. And next, we have Barricade Rides water bottles. So it's got the logo right there. Let's see if we can get it. So it's my logo. It's engraved. And then from Kemimoto, we have saddlebag coolers. So I'm gonna post right here what they look like, because I'm not gonna open it because I want the winners of these to be the first people to open these. And then everyone who wins will get the brand new Barricade Ride sticker designed by Zacky Bears and a Barricade Rides poker chip. And on the back it's got a QR code to the channel, Instagram, everything. So make sure to do all those things. And I will be drawing a winner soon. Good luck to all of you. And thank you so much for the support.